Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you are a homeowner, then you're gonna wanna check out this 3-in-1 cleaning kit from IGAD because it will help make all your outdoor cleaning jobs 10 times easier. It comes with so many different tools to help with any of your cleaning needs. I actually got this set for my parents because I really didn't want them to be climbing ladders all the time to clean the outside of their home. And my dad has been so thrilled with this. He was actually excited to start cleaning. He really likes this wide water-fed brush that connects to your hose, and it has these 2 pencil jets in the center. We cannot speak more highly about this brush. It does an excellent job at cleaning and rinsing. So you can actually attach the soap dispenser to it, which can hold 100 milliliters of your favorite cleaner. And there's a switch that allows you to control whether you want it to feed the solution or just spray the water to rinse. And you can also get the gooseneck adapter to angle your brush. This came in so handy when we had to clean the bottom of our boat. And this microfiber cloth and squeegee adapter also pivots and leaves your windows crystal clear. Another favorite attachment of ours is this Cobweb Duster. I'm telling you, if you have high ceilings in your home, this is definitely a must. We also like the fact that the pole only weighs a little over 4 pounds. It's got these cushioned grips and it extends up to 24 feet, making it so much easier to get to those hard to reach places. This set is super strong and durable. I can tell that it's going to last us a long time and leave our house so much cleaner. And that's my point of view.